Hello everyone, Sadek Hussain here. So I was like working on an idea as I already shared that in the market now people are going to be the product builder using the AI, right? So that was my idea. I shared in my previous video. If you haven't checked, I'll suggest you can check on my social media, maybe my YouTube channel. But look at the design, sorry, look at an idea, don't look at the design yet because this design is not finalized and anything is not final yet. I'm just working on the functional thing first, right? So I shared last time that I am working on this project that was related to basically creating a web app where user can a newbies, specifically the product designer or the UX designer, who can create their plans and like personalize their learning according to their requirements, and then they can generate their learning path, right? That by selecting the specific hour they have in the day, selecting their level of expertise in UX design, and also like what are the specific problem they're facing in the UX learning curve, right? So I just created this another example of a landing page. Again, I'm using Lovable, doing just by coding using prompt engineering. So if I go into about and everything, they are just functionable. And then if I click on sign in, you can create your account, either sign up or sign in. And then if I go into the sign in, it will take me to the sign in page, right? So here the dashboard. This is just an idea. I need to select my like expertise level. So supposedly I'm a beginner, and what specific UX skill do you want to learn? So I want to learn basic UX design laws and how business works in UX design, right? Then how many hours you can give? So I can give like supposedly 3 hours per day. And what are the challenges you are facing in learning UX design? So I lack in self motivation to continue my learning, right? So again, these are just simple questions. Probably I'll add a few details later on. And then if I click on generate learning plans, I'm hopeful that it will work. This is just again an ideation, and I'm testing it, right? So probably I'm really hopeful that it will generate. Come on, come on. Yeah, so you can see this is basically beginner UX design learning plan. So they are giving like the plan for learning curve, and also like as I was mentioning in my previous video that it will be the weekly schedule as well, right? So it has given the timestamp, right? Like 3 hours per day. These are the hours, and then it has mentioned that how you can learn as well, like on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? Friday, Saturday, and here I also like added like the plan as well with or recommended resources. So it has given two or three YouTube videos and also the articles as well where from you can learn. So if I click on this one, it will take me to the next page where I can like work on. So, okay, so the link is broken. Probably I'm not sure why, but maybe I'll check it later on, right? And also UX design law explained as well. So it brought me the video from YouTube as well. Again, this video is not available. Why is it not available? Because I'm just trying it, hit and trial error using the AI. Not familiar with too much coding, so just trying to use the stuff as much as I can. But yes, that's how basically I'm building. And then I'll be adding one more feature as well. That will be the interactive use as well. Like it will work similar to the AI, that you can ask your question again and it will give you the response, and also you will be able to basically revisit your learning schedule as well. So that is going to be interactive stuff, right? So that's what I really wanted to show you guys, as I promised that I'll be bringing that stuff. So yet I have to work obviously, but as you can see that now how product builders can generate the content, right? Thank you. I'm hopeful you guys liked an idea.